Hello everyone, this is Khan, and today I'm going to record how to prepare a bonsai pot for repotting. We would use this mesh and cut it to size to cover the drainage. These wide meshes would be used to cover up the drainage holes, like so, and we will use this wire to secure them. That's the first part. Second part, the bend will be in the other direction. Like so, and bring it over and down. So that's completed, that's done. So that's two bits of wire prepared to secure the mesh at the bottom of the pot or the drainage hole. The next step is to place the wire mesh over the drainage hole, like so, and use these two pieces of wire to go through the drainage hole, making sure that they are as close to the end of each end of the hole as possible, and then over the other side just bend it over to secure it. We'll come back to this to tidy it up. So that's in place and is secured, and we'll repeat this with the second one, likewise, turning these out and making sure that it's very secure. And to finish it off, we tidy up by trimming this wire so it's not unsightly, although it's out of sight, but it's still is better to tidy it up. Same thing on this end and up here. So that there we are. There is a second method of securing the bonsai mesh at the bottom of the pot, and with this dark green pot I will demonstrate how that is done. And the other thing which we ought to be doing is tidy up the edges so that when the roots grow they don't get caught up in these sharp bits sticking out. So these bits should be taken off so that the edges are reasonably smooth and no rough edges sticking out. So repeat that with this one, cutting off the edges. That's done. I have cut two pieces of wire, and I will now prepare a U-bend. It's like a U-bend, and that one, and another bend goes here. It looks like this. It literally is a U-bend, and straighten up here and here. I have just checked, and this U-bend is too big to go through for the wires to go through the hole. So to make the bend smaller, simply use the pliers and at the end of the bend, and it's shortened. Hopefully this will fit in. So I'll just test. Yep, that fits in. And what we now do is place the wire mesh over the drainage hole, like so, and use these U-bends, hairpin U-bends, to put through the hole, making sure that the outer, they are as far gently out as pencils down, and pull that the other way. It's firmly secured, and we repeat the process on the other side. Like so. It has to be eased in, and then pull through the other side. Here we have it. Push from the inside to make sure that it's flat, not too hard. We don't want the wire mesh to bend, but make sure that it's flush with the bottom of the pot, as are the tops of the U-bend. And that's that pot done, and all I have to do now is tidy up the bottom by taking the excess wire off, cutting it off from here, a little bit from here, and pressing it down so it's flush. There we are. That's how we prepare bonsai pots for repotting. Here we are with the two pots together, having been wired up with the drainage holes covered with wire mesh and ready for repotting. We also use another wire to secure the bonsai tree in the pot, and to do this I've cut a piece of wire and threaded it through, making sure when you do this you thread it through the wire mesh at the inner end of the drainage hole as opposed to outer. If you thread it through here, when it's tied up, it'll pull the wire mesh across and it'll defeat the object of the wire mesh being there in the first place. So we do repeat the process here and then push it through like so, and out here, making sure that there's no slack. So it's all pulled through, and the pot is now ready to receive bonsai soil and a bonsai tree, and it will be secured with the wire, and then the wire will be cut off and concealed in the bonsai soil. There you have it. This is how to prepare a bonsai pot for repotting your bonsai trees. Thank you for watching, and to watch more, please subscribe.